Howdy folks, welcome back to Small Farm Guys Garden Edition here. So we're going to give you I think it's been a week and a half since I planted everything, so we'll give you a week and a half update here. So we'll show you what the tomatoes look like and what the peppers look like and what the corn looks like and the beans and everything else that we planted. So we're going to start with the jalapenos here. They are still very small there, but they're adding some more leaves. So we've got the 6 here. We've watered it about 3 times, I believe I've watered. So like I said, the places we get the jalapenos and the green peppers from, they don't do well. And then we got the green peppers here. They did add some more leaves, so the plants are doing good. They got a little yellowing on them, but the back 2 are looking far better than the front 2 are. Then we got our tomatoes here. Like I said, you remember how green these things were? Well, they definitely hit their nutrients. They're really popping up here, especially back here. These things really popped up, both of them. And then we're gonna hit those are our little cherries. Then we get to our big tomatoes here. Same thing, nice dark green leaves. They're starting to put some height on. All over, they've gained a lot. So they're doing pretty good. And then obviously you saw in the previous video, we planted a row of beans. Well, they've been in the ground for 5 days now. So the beans are coming up. We got a little bit of weeds here, but they're not a problem yet. The lettuce, I believe we're starting to get little pieces of lettuce here. But our other 2 they perked back up and are starting to grow again. And then here's our corn. Our corn is doing phenomenal. We've got 5 rows here. Not that it's hard to tell now, but we do have 5 rows, nice and tall, looks good. You know, we've got 5 going in. So this is our quick little garden update. Still got a good pile of manure here, and we did put that other row of beans here. You know, we got a little bit of seed there, but we do have a couple of them coming up, and I'm suspecting in the next couple days that the rest will come up. But it is super dry here. I mean, we've been watering. I watered last night and it's still dry, but it's starting to get dusty on the top from watering last night. So, but that's our garden update. So everything's doing good. It's coming along. We'll have to start weeding here soon, but it's coming along. So see you guys next time.